What time is it, Kelsey?
It is right now like 8:41.
8:41 in the morning, and we're gonna head to Samsung Station so I can get my lasek. We had a long day at the airport and getting to here. So yesterday was Valentine's Day, but we didn't do anything at all besides sleep. Whoa!
Careful. Come here.
Okay, we'll just see you there. That's cute. Right here. Hold on, let me zoom in. And right here. Hold on, it's not focusing. Focus, there we go. See? Ta-da! So I just had my two-hour appointment for a checkup, and then it's really quiet right here right now. I feel weird talking by myself, but I'm here with Kelsey. So we just got our drinks. What'd you get again?
Vanilla latte.
Vanilla latte, and I got a green tea latte, and then there's also this right here. This is the, what's it? Earl Grey pound cake, and we are at the where it's not a cafe, well it's Alver Cafe Alver, and then we just got here because, you know, 17 did their dance practice here. So, and it's actually empty down here, like everyone's sitting upstairs or in the middle floor. It's so hot, oh my god. Okay. I used to be really good at taking photos, but then I got old and then my stretching ability sucks, so I can't.
Yeah.
When I help people take pictures, I always like to like squat or like do the Asians like lean back. Everything is so cute. It's so cute, I want it. It's so cute. Look at this. Look at this. Oh no, look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so cute. Oh my god. Everything's so cute. Same. Is it recording? I can't see, I'm blind. Oh, sorry, no, it's recording, I think. I see a red dot, it's good. We're good. How long did the surgery take again? Okay, so including recovery time and waiting time, yeah, and preparation time, an hour and a half?
Yeah.
So yeah, so surgery and waiting time and everything was an hour and a half. And surgery itself only lasted like 5 minutes max on like 3 minutes on each side. I swear to gosh, it was okay. I felt pain in this eye, but I didn't feel any pain on this side. I don't think the pain medication or the numbing drops kicked in quick enough. But anyways, I have to do eye drops every 2 hours while I'm awake, and then tomorrow I'll do it just 4 times a day. This is the antibiotic one, and this one is the anti-inflammatory one. And then I also have where is it? In the fridge, this one right here. So in the fridge I have this, oh shoot, the water's gonna fall out. This one right here is the eye drops for recovery, but it's made from my own blood. And I have to do that every hour. I have to take vitamin C daily, and then they gave pain medication if needed. But the most exciting part for tonight is I get to wear this to sleep. I don't want to put it on. It looks so weird. Hold on. But yeah, so I don't scratch my eyes when I sleep. Why can't I manually focus?
Oh, he has kids in front of him.
Yeah. Same. Turn around. I'm stalking him. This is on a fan.
Oh my god.
I totally can see while I'm filming. Cheese tteokbokki. What's wrong with that? Oh yeah, I forgot these flat ones. I thought I'm gonna struggle.
Yeah. I still buy it.
Give me your bowl. Give me your bowl, you guys.
Oh, this is full service.
The blind girl servicing everyone. Okay, give me your bowl. Thank you. Shit, Kelsey's younger than me.
That's really weird. How old are you?
I'm 21. Okay. Yeah. 21. Yeah.
23.
Right, you're turning 24 this year.
Shut up. I'm already 25 Korean age.
Really?
Yeah, it's awful.
Does your coworkers tell you to go get a boyfriend?
No, oh my god, my boss's wife is like, oh, you don't have a boyfriend? You don't like Korean boys? I'm like, I mean, I don't care. But, I mean, if I get one here, I gotta stay here, right?
Oh, yeah. Don't get one here. Get one that's international. Or one from Canada. Yeah. Do you like eggs?
Yes.
I don't know how much you want. I don't know what I'm doing. I can't see anything.
You're doing great. I just watch you educate. Thank you. I complain about teaching, but teaching's not that bad. You just have to find a decent place to teach. Makes sense. So if you ever want to... What? I'm full.
I'm never full. Let's eat.
Honestly, that's how you do it.
Yeah.
Honestly,
It's hot, careful.
I'm just gonna eat it. Yeah, because there's so much liquid in here.
It's cute. Just the atmosphere is cute. I kind of like this one. I like this one. Mm-hmm. There's like literally an egg in here. It's really good. Ah. Ordering kimbap.
Yeah, I'm not even halfway through.
Here is pretty good. It's like spicy noodle and the regular noodle, and we just got rice. And the jjimjang's pretty good, but it has bones in it. I like boneless better too. I don't like it. And what's this called again? Don't know. Yeah.
You have to say, oh, nice.
let's try it again. Please work. Please work. Okay, I'm flipping it. Hold on, let me just flatten the edge.
What the
frick? Okay, please accept money. Here, you keep. It wants Kelpie money. Tell me now, tell me now. Wait, shooting star and Puss in Boots. Puss in Boots? That's weird. Is there cherry? Mixed with hot rock. Oh, wait, I'm on this. The Puss in Boots is good. This one's interesting.